Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle Artizzoni, and I'm happy to be here to lead you through Burlington Public Schools 2023-2024 Elementary Schools Technology Orientation presentation. Let's jump right in and get started with a brief introduction of our team members. On our digital learning team, we have our director, Mr. Dennis Villano, and 5 digital learning coaches supporting curriculum, students, and staff across the elementary level. We have Miss Jen Sheffer, myself, Miss Michelle Artizzoni, Mr. Dan Donoff, Miss Linda O'Leary, and Mr. Leroy Wong. On the IT team side of the house, supporting devices, Wi Fi, and network, we have Mr. Jose D'Souza, our IT director, Mr. John Allegretto, our senior systems administrator, Ms. Fadine Soterial, our administrative assistant, Mr. Eric Calandrello, our systems administrator, and Mr. Emerson Perez, one of our IT technicians, and Mr. Theo Goulis, also another IT technician. How does our team support students and staff in Burlington? Well, our digital learning team answers such questions that staff may ask us. How do I do that? Let's collaborate on technology integration with lessons. We support iPad applications. We support curriculum within the elementary grades. We also provide direct computer science instruction in our elementary classrooms from grades preschool through grade 5. And we also create, develop, and present staff professional development. Looking at the IT team side, they handle such questions from staff as, can you fix it? They provide and service our iPad devices. They support our network, phones, projectors, and peripherals. They're also responsible for support with student accounts and password recovery. And the IT team also has a partnership with the Burlington town itself. In Burlington, we have a one-to-one iPad learning program. Students in grades K through 5 will have an iPad given to them, and it will remain in schools and charging in homeroom carts at the end of the school day. Students' iPads are managed with Burlington Public Schools security and restrictions in place. This is done through the Mobile Mobile Device Management System. Students will use their Burlington Public School Google account to access content and subscriptions. Teachers will set the iPad expectations for use and care in classrooms. The Burlington Public School Responsible Use Policy and Student Handbook are guides. Students are responsible for the care of their device in school. Technology and iPad support. If an elementary student has a question regarding their iPad, an application, or support, their first line of support is to go approach and talk to their homeroom teacher. The teacher will contact Burlington Public Schools Technology Department if further support is needed. App Store restrictions. The Apple App Store is disabled for students. Apps are installable via the Mobile Manager app. If you look to the right, you will see the icon of what that app looks like. Apps are approved by Burlington Public Schools staff and, after approval, placed within the Mobile Manager app icon in order for students to access and download with teacher direction. Our App Store restrictions cannot be removed, and there is no opt-out available for these restrictions. Caring for your iPad. Your iPad is an essential learning tool. There should be no eating or drinking near your iPad. Take care transporting your iPad between classrooms. And remember, the iPad screen is made out of glass. Internet filtering. Online activity of all iPads is filtered at school. Inappropriate content is filtered and or blocked. Online activities of students are monitored. Families, please discuss online activity and safety with your student. Parents should be highly involved. For assistance or support, please feel free to visit the parent section of Common Sense Media. Students are held responsible for their behavior online, and digital identity can significantly affect your future. Mobile device management. Our IT team uses Moselle Mobile Device Management MDM. The MDM controls the security restrictions as well as applications. This does not include control over iPad cameras. Apps are available in the Mosile Manager application. If you look to the right, you can see the icon. Updates to applications are also available via the Mosile Manager app. Data privacy. Here in Burlington Public Schools, there is significant emphasis on student and staff data privacy. Apps, sites, and Chrome extensions are reviewed. All account based products are also reviewed. Our list of approved apps and sites can be found on the Burlington Public Schools website. We support the Student Privacy Pledge as well as the Education Cooperative Student Data Privacy Act. Common Sense Media. Our grade K through 8 digital citizenship curriculum is founded in the Common Sense Media curriculum. A few topics that are covered are web safety, digital citizenship, privacy protection, and online identity. Common Sense Media also offers reviews and ratings for movies, music, and video games. It also supports family technology ideas as well as guidance. In Burlington Public Schools, we are also members of the Google Workspace suite of applications. These can be broken down into three distinct categories. The communication applications that we use are Gmail, Google Meet, Google Calendar, for storage, Google Drive, and for collaboration among students, docs, sheets, slides, and sites. For data storage, students' Google Drive has cloud data storage where backups of files, pictures, videos, and some applications can be found. Student Google accounts are assigned to every Burlington Public School student. It is a critical key to accessing technology resources and communication. Student Google Gmail account user information format is LACID at bps1to1.org. The LACID represents a student's unique 6-digit identifying number. Here's an example of a student email. Their LACID number comes first. The example shows 123456, followed by @bps1to1.org. For safety and security reasons, email can only be sent and received from within the Burlington domain between staff and students. Our two domains that exist are bpsk12.org, which is for staff members, and bps1to1.org, which represents a student account. Google account passwords. Families, please help your child memorize his or her password. Passwords must be a minimum of 8 characters. A strong password will have a mixture of upper and lowercase characters and special characters, for example, an exclamation point, an @sign, or an asterisk. Passwords should always be kept confidential. Burlington Public Schools uses ClassLink single sign-on system. If you look to the right, you can see the blue icon of this application. ClassLink is a single sign-on system. Users, such as students, log into applications with one single set of credentials configured at the district level. It is made up of their Gmail username and password. Once they enter that set of credentials just one time, applications like Seesaw, iReady, BrainPop can be accessed via that student's ClassLink Launchpad app. Logging into ClassLink at home. Users log into application with a single set of credentials configured at the district level, which are made up of the student's Gmail username and password. To access ClassLink, open Safari or any web browser and type https:// launchpad.classlink.com/Burlington MA. You must use that link, that exact web address, to gain access to Burlington's ClassLink single sign-on. Once you have entered that at your web browser prompt, you can click Sign in with Google. Here is what your screen will look like. You will see the Burlington Public Schools logo at the top, and then click Sign in with Google. Here's an example to help make this a little clearer. If a student's or child's ID is 123456 and their password is 3reds45 $. Once they tap Sign in with Google, the student would enter their ID number, here shown in yellow, 123456. And then every Burlington student follows their ID number with @BPS121.org. Next, students will be prompted for their password. Here, the student's password is 3REDS45 $. After those two credentials are entered, they would be able to get access to the single sign-on applications page. Once students have logged into the ClassLink application with one set of credentials, here is an example of one of the apps they would see, the Seesaw Learning app. Students, as well as families, can use the Seesaw Learning app. Seesaw supports and shows a digital workflow for student assignments and feedback from teachers. It is also used for parent communication. Seesaw promotes independent learning and creativity for our elementary students. They create a powerful digital journal throughout the school years. It does follow them from one year to the next. Seesaw allows parents to see the learning process. It supports audio, video, photos, drawings, and more that our students create. Please note, our students only see their teacher-approved work. If you look to the right, you can see the icon of the Seesaw Learning app available for families and students. The Seesaw Learning app, when accessed by families, allows 5 family members to connect to one student's account. You can install the Seesaw Learning app, seen here to the right, on your personal device. You are able to comment and like your child's work. You can send private messages to your child's teacher. You will only see the work of your child. And you can toggle between multiple journals if you have more than one child using Seesaw. New for the 2023-2024 school year in Burlington is an application called Parent Square. Parent Square will be Burlington's district-wide communication platform. What could you find there? Parent Square will communicate to you school cancellations, emergency information, and important news. It is also going to be used as the main communication tool from teachers to families and families to teachers. Information shared through Parent Square is fully translatable into multiple languages. Stay tuned for more details to come throughout the upcoming school year. Technology and iPad support. The first place an elementary student can go for help and support with their iPad is their classroom teacher. Their teacher will contact the Burlington Public School Technology Department if further support is needed. Staying connected. We welcome you to check out our Burlington Public School digital learning website for our updated digital resources, how-to guides, and technology learning sessions. Please see the links below to bring you to the Burlington Public Schools digital learning and family resources web pages found on our Burlington Public Schools website. Also, the Library and Technology Department page can be found there too. Thank you, Burlington families and staff, for watching our 2023-2024 elementary technology orientation video today. I hope it's provided you with a lot of useful information, and we look forward to another school year supporting our students and staff. Thank you.